Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook profile private. Okay, I can't remember to watch this video until the end so you don't make any mistake. Let's get started without wasting much time. The first thing you need to do is click on the Facebook application. Now click on the three bars at the top there. Now you want to click on the gear icon. Okay, now scroll down and click on privacy checkup. The first thing you need to do is click on who can see what you share. Okay, then click continue. Then you can see here is my email address. I can toggle it to only me. My date of birth, this one can be only me. Everything here, only me. Then hometown, only me. Everything, I'll just set to only me. Okay. Just like this. After that, click next. Then default audience setting. You can choose friends accept, then friends and public. There are other options here. You can just choose only me. So you remain very private on Facebook. Okay. Now you go to stories. You click. You can customize it. You can choose only some people who can see it, but here I can just choose friends. Okay. Then don't share on Instagram. Toggle this off. Then come back. Okay. Click next. Then next. That is set. Now we go to another topic here. We go to how people can find you on Facebook. Just come here and click continue. Then who can send you friend request? Restrict it to friends of friends to make sure that you are very private. Then click on next. Then people with your number who can we suggest your profile based on a phone number or email address. Here we can change this to no one. Also this one to no one. Then we click next. Next again. Okay. Then with this, you'll remain very private on Facebook. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.